Hey guys, James Paradise, what's going on? Hey, I want to answer some questions right now. People sending me messages on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and now TikTok and all over social media, and they're asking me what I do and how do we make money online and what's the secret. Okay, it's really simple. There's no secret. I have a very simple system that we use every day. Okay, the sun's going down right now. See over there? I got a sunset right behind me. Right now we're on the beach in Mexico. We're in the Caribbean. Baby, say hi. And the sun's going down right behind me. And I'm going to explain to you, it's a very simple thing, guys. Listen, stop doing all this. Stop watching all these videos, watching all these other people on YouTube and YouTubers, Facebook and Instagram telling you you need to get more followers, you need to get more subscribers, you need to get more likes and all this stuff, right? You can watch hundreds and hundreds of hours of videos, spend weeks, months, years trying to learn how to make money on the internet and online the right way. Come on, the internet's been around since like the early 90s, 93, 94, 95. 1995, I had my first website in 1995. It is 2000 right now. I'm sorry, 2020. But there's a very simple way to do it. Everything is very complicated, but I have a very simple way to make money. It's very simple. Watch this. If you like this idea, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then click on the notification bell. Okay, so subscribe, ding, and then I want you to like the video, and then I want you to get all my notifications. Click on the notification bell. Okay, bing, bing, bing. Get all my videos. Watch. It's very simple. Here's how you make money. You post an ad on social media, like this YouTube video right here. This YouTube video right here, right there. This video here. Okay. You post a video like this. You tell people to do exactly what I'm telling you to do, which is buy a product. What product? My product. How do you get my product? You click on the link in the description below, and then you go watch one of my videos, and I show you what the product is. The product is you. Yes, the product is you. I take you, and I turn that into a money-making machine. What does that mean? You're probably very smart at something, right? You know how to do something. You're a specialist at something. So I show you how to take what you know how to do. Doctor, nurse, maybe you own a restaurant, maybe you own a bar, maybe you have a product, maybe you sell shirts, maybe you have sunglasses, and I show you how to sell that product all over the world in 65 countries. Now, Amazon ships products in 26 countries. I show you how to get your product on Amazon, and Amazon will sell your product in 26 English-speaking countries, and you make millions of dollars. If you don't have, you love that idea? Click on the link in the description below, or just send me your number. Send me your name and your number, your country code, your mobile number. Send me your email. Get on the phone with me live, because I show you how to do this live, okay? I don't send you videos. I don't say buy my video course for $1,000. We do it live. That's it. I don't waste time. I would rather spend 30 days trying to find one client to send me $25,000 to spend 5 days with them to teach them how to make $1 million than teach you how to make or $100 a day. Come on. Everybody says, oh, I'm going to show you, do this and I'll show you how to make $100 a day. It's bullshit. It takes too much time. What do you want to spend 15 hours a day trying to make $100 a day? Forget that. I wouldn't even spend 1 hour a day trying to make $100 a day. How about you spend 30 days and you make $25,000 every 30 days. $25,000 every 30 days. That's $25,000 a month times 12 months a year. How much is that? $300,000 a year. And you do that for 5 years, you're a millionaire. You're a millionaire. You're a multi-millionaire. Add up the numbers, guys. The smartest people in the world spend time selling and promoting a big product. What if I show you how to sell $1 million house and make a 6% commission? You just made $60,000. And if it took 3 months, 2 or 3 months, would you spend 2 or 3 months selling $1 million house? If your answer is no, you're an idiot. If your answer is yes, I will show you how to do that. I've been doing this. So the number one way to make money is post an ad, sell a product, and make money. It's 2 steps. That's it. If you love the idea, below this video, I don't care where you see this, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, send me your information. We get on the phone live, we schedule a call. In 1 hour, I put you in business making money. money. That's it. 1 hour. 1 hour making money. If you love that idea, below, send me your number. Country code, number, email, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, all of your links. Connect with me. You're one of my top coaches. We'll get on the phone with you in 1 hour and put you in business making money. I don't care if you're making $20,000 a month. I'll show you how to get it to $100,000 a month. Okay? It's that simple. It's a new way to do it. It's February. It's March 1st, 2020 right now. The simplest way to make money is to learn how to attract high-quality rich people who want to learn what you know how to do, or teach them what I know how to do, which is make thousands of dollars a day online. Teaching people how to make thousands of dollars online. That's what we do, okay? All right, I'll see you soon. Keep watching my videos. Boom.